Good evening, Tradespooners, and welcome
The
to tonight's
broadcast is now
pick
starting. All attendees are in
for March
listen-only
14,
mode.
2014. We're looking at a long position in Spirit Airlines, ticker symbol SAVE, SAVE. Now, scrolling down and taking a look at the proprietary risk reward here from Tradespoon, we're coming in at a 4, so it's in that mid-range of that 1 to 10 scale. We're also looking at the value momentum coming in at 8, so it's on the upper end of that 1 to 10 scale, and looking as a more favorable position as far as value and momentum are concerned. And as always, you could dig a little bit deeper on these risk reward and value momentum scores, as well as taking a look at a deeper score, proprietary Tradespoon score, and the fundamental and technical analysis that we drill down into to get to these ratings. Now, taking a look at the SAVE closing price, it came in at $59.36, and that is above. And actually, I'm going to have that. That is, the price action's a little bit off here. So we're going to take a look at the volatility action here. But the volatility right now is on the upswing. We see that the IV percentile is now in that 31.2% range, which means that the implied volatility is 31.2% off of its 52-week low. Taking a look at the return on capital for the option strategy, we're seeing, and specifically the option spread strategy, it's roughly around 48%. The probability of success is right around 50%, and we're seeing the estimated move analysis come in at $3.08 going into April expiration. As always, all of this is dynamic and will change as the option prices change or changes in implied volatility. So taking a look at the stock trade, we're looking at buying stock, ticker symbol SAVE, SAVE. Entry price is $59.36. Now, if we're filled at that $59.36 level, we're going to put a sell stop above that entry price, specifically by $5.20. So that means we'll get out of this trade at $64 and roughly around 56 cents. So we're going to have a sell to close limit, good until cancel, at that $54.56 level. Now, we will also have a sell stop limit order in there, a sell stop limit order until cancel, and we're going to put that in roughly around that $54.16. So we'll have that good till cancel. And as always, remember, use prudent size management here. We suggest that you only use between 3 and 5% of either the cash available or the percentage buying power available. Now, taking a look at the option strategy, we're going to buy the $60 calls. We're going to put in a limit price of $2.35 or better. Now, if we're filled at $2.35, we're going to put a sell limit order to take profits if this actual option appreciates in price. And we're going to put it in specifically at $4.70. That's $2.35 higher than our entry price. Now, the risk that we're willing to take at this juncture is going to be the full debit that we pay, the $2.35. So this does mean that you do need to use very prudent size management, no more than 2.5 to 10% tops of either the cash available or the percentage buying power available. Now, taking a look at the option spread strategy, we're actually looking at a bull put spread. That means that we're going to be selling a $60 put, and we're going to receive $2.85. And we're going to buy a lower strike put, specifically the $55 puts, and we're going to pay $1.10, which means that our net credit is going to be $1.75, and that is our total potential profit in this particular trade. And then we need the stock to stay above $60 for us to realize that at April expiration. Now, the max risk that we'll take on this trade is going to be $3.50. So we will have a buy stop limit. So if this spread starts to increase in price and is trading at roughly around $3.50, we're going to get out of this trade and just basically cut our risk. And as always, you can use our proprietary virtual trade here from Tradespoon if you're new to the service or if you're just trying out new strategies as you grow in your expertise. Taking a look at the stock background and analysis, we see that the stock has been on a very nice trend above its short-term moving averages of 10 and 30 days. We look at the key stock events, and we can see the fundamental and technical components, and we just want to make sure that we keep an eye on this because we want to see if there are any binary events like earnings coming up during the expiration cycle, which there aren't at this juncture. But again, keep an eye on these key stock events. And as always, you can take a look at the latest news and commentary as of today's pick. Well, that's it for tonight for our pick. Long Spirit Airlines, ticker symbol SAV. If you ever need any help, please take an opportunity to email us at info@tradespoon.com. And as always, keep an eye on the training videos. We have upcoming webinars, and we have a full list of recordings, but you have Meet the Greeks coming up. So if you've ever wanted to learn more about the Greeks, that's coming up on March 19th and March 20th. So please feel free to sign up again under the training videos and upcoming webinars. All right, folks. Well, thank you for participating tonight, and we will see you tomorrow.